How to log into Adobe Lightroom. First of all, open the app on your device. On the main screen, you will see the sign in option. You can log in using your Adobe ID, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook account depending on your preference. After selecting your preferred login method, enter your credential such as email and password for Adobe ID, or follow the prompts for Google, Apple, or Facebook sign in. Once your account is verified, Lightroom will load your synced photos, albums, and edits automatically. You can now access all the editing tools, presets, and cloud features. Logging in ensures your edits are saved to the cloud and accessible across multiple devices. If you face any login issues, check your internet connection and make sure you are using the correct credentials. Now you know how to log into Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing and photo enhancement tips.